Hey guys, today we have a special treat for you. We're going to be opening some Pokemon Sun and Moon surprise eggs. Will we hatch a Litten, a Rowlet, or a Popplio? If you want to find out, just keep on watching.
Pikachu.
Maybe Pikachu.
Yeah, Pikachu is.
Well, let's see what Alana got. She looks like she's opening it already. What do you have there?
I got a Litten.
Whoa, you did! Wow, look at that, guys. Our first Pokemon Sun and Moon egg surprise. It's a Litten. Go ahead, guys. Keep opening.
Grease.
What did you get there, Leah? Have you opened yours yet? Let me see. Let's see what you got, Aaliyah. I think I know what it is.
Pikachu.
You said that was your favorite, right? Cece, what did you get, Cece?
Put it together.
You got is that a Porygon? Let me see, Mariah. Look, Mariah got a Glaceon.
I got a Poliwag.
Can I see it? Can you show them? Wow, that's nice. Looks like a tadpole, huh?
You can't bring them at home.
Hey guys, so the girls have shown you what they got in their surprise eggs, and I'm gonna give you guys a closer look on the Faruda surprise eggs that we got from the store the other day. So what you're looking at is the front of the box with Pikachu and the 3 starter Pokemons, which are Popplio, Rowlet, and Litten. And as I can tell, that baby right there, she is into these Pokemon little surprises over here. So let's get started with the opening. Oh, you got Pikachu. Yeah, you got Pikachu over there.
Yeah, I got Pikachu from my surprise.
All right, so we're gonna open it. Comes in this little foil wrapper thing with these little polka dots.
Oh, you're right. It's that chocolate. Yeah.
And the girls are already telling me they want to eat the chocolate. But you know what? Daddy's gonna get some more chocolate.
Oh.
All right, so I'm gonna split it up. You guys can have your chocolate.
Yay.
Here you go.
Oh yeah. That's right.
That chocolate's good, huh? So for you chocolate surprise eggs people, or that have not had chocolate surprise eggs, this is what the inside of the egg looks like. It's like a milk chocolate taste, which is pretty yummy. Here, I'm gonna give them some more surprise eggs. Here, and let's open this up. Let's see what we got. Oh, look, guys, we got another Pikachu.
So the Pokemon we got are Pikachu, Litten, Poliwag, Charizard, Flygon, Glaceon, Popplio, Ditto, and Porygon 2.
Which one do you guys like?
I love Pikachu and
So Leah likes Pikachu.
and I love that one. These look so cute.
Ooh, Pikachu and Poliwhirl.
Yeah.
How about you, Mariah? What
I
do you
have
like?
this one.
Poplio?
Yeah.
How about you, Alana? Who's your favorite?
Glaceon.
You like Glaceon? Yeah, he looks cool. Or she looks cool. How about you, Cece? Which one do you like? Miss Surprise Egg?
I love the Glaceon.
You like that? You like Porygon?
Daddy, what you told them?
I like, well, he's not here, but I like Rowlet.
As you can see, we have more surprise eggs. If you want to see us open them, tune into our next video, because we gotta catch them all. Bye, guys.